something in there. Got it. Oh, I came off. Dang. But I knew there was a fish there. Dang it. Oh, a little bit more fish over there. All right, there's fish in this area for sure. It was a little bass, 4-inch bass, I think. That actually scared me. That fish attacked it right last minute. Oh, we spooked them all. Way to go, me. Oh, he's on. Oh, fish grabbed it and didn't commit. Oh, he's on. Fish on. There you go. Oh, it's a little bluegill. All right. Oh no, it's a little baby bass. Baby bass. Oops. There you go. That's funny. Hey, guy. Oh, come on. There you go. I love it. You know what? I'll take it. It's awesome. So cool. Let's get a picture of you. Oh, look, more. All right, let's get a quick picture. Toss them back. Maybe we can grab another. There's a little bit more there. There's probably a little bass school. They're blowing up on the top. Let's get this guy. Wonker. Huge. All right, let's let him go. Bye, guy. We know that there's at least a couple more. I was holding one. I saw 2 blow-ups over there. Oh, fish on. Got him. Yep. Sweet little fish. There you go. Another one. Ah, it's so fun, dude. Yay. Oh, he came off. Dang it. Oh my god. Oh, there's more. Gone? Fish on. Ah! Came off. Darn it. That's the thing about this whole thing, dude. The fish aren't all the way out there. There are some fish out there for sure, but a lot of the fish are right here on the side. There's a lot. I'm bound to catch one more minimum. Nice thing about the Tenkara rod, if you have the line set up where your Tenkara line isn't too long, you'll be able to hold the line off the water. The presentation is way better because it's just the fly and the tippet in the water. Can you see that? They're just blowing up right here. If I don't catch a fish right now, it's my fault. You know what I should really do? I should really switch. They may have caught on. I should switch to something else. Should I switch? No, I don't think I will. We're running out of time. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I feel like oh dude, there's a huge fish right here. Just blew up on me. I'm just gonna cast here. There's a big one, guys. There's a big one right here. I think I'm gonna switch to a worm, you guys. All right, let's see. Okay, here's what we'll do. I always carry this with me. This is some top secret stuff right here. Okay, this is what I keep with me on every trip. Okay, what we'll do is grab some of this pink stuff and pull off about 1 inch of this, maybe 1.5 inches. Okay, so put this away. I can demonstrate this. Okay, so what we'll do is grab, this is a size 10 hook, and we're gonna tie a fly right now called the overhand worm. Basically just grab this, do an overhand knot, pull it tight right there, just like that. That right there catches fish. Snap off the edge of your line, put the Kebari away, tie the best knot that you can. Oh yeah, the fish are still there. 2. Okay. Snip off the edge, and you're back in business. All right, now watch this. This is gonna get crazy. This fly, we'll just lob it. There you go. Oh, he was on it. Got him. There you go. Better. All right, let's not lose this one this time. I told you. All right. These are all pretty cool. Awesome size. Oh, stay. Nice. Told you, pink worm. Over there. Okay, more. I need the more. What I was doing, I was holding it above the water, so just above the surface. That was a bite. Got him. Yes. So just hold it above the surface is what they want. There we go. There's another one. Hey, dude. There's another one.